Talesong 35. The Invisible Man. I walk through streets, yet none see me, invisible to all. Though I am free, shadows and whispers follow my way. I scream my truths, but no one will stay. Racism bites, society blinds, I search for justice, yet none it finds. Friends and foes blur. Betrayals sting, life's bitter taste under hidden wing. I lead, I fight, I vanish, I scream, trying to live in a fractured dream. Power and prejudice clash in the air, I shout my vision. Yet none will care. Invisibility is curse and gift. I navigate chaos, drift and lift. Identity hidden, yet fire burns bright. I claim my voice, assert my right. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.